Hey, I'm Norm,
And I'm Lynn.
and this is Norm and Lynn doing things. We are here celebrating fathers at Dinner with Dads 2026.
Yes, this is 5 years of doing this to honor the men in our lives, the fathers in our lives, the ones that have been that positive role model. So we are here celebrating them with a garden dinner party, having a great time.
Absolutely. So check this out.
Get to me once. I'll let you get to me once. Get to me once. Get to me once. I'll let you get to me once. Get to me once. Don't you think like that? I will love you endlessly. If you only believe in me, don't you feel like that? I will love you forever. If you only believe in me, yeah. Get to, get to, get to, get to.
You know, we just want to focus and make sure everybody is right. So a lot of times we don't focus on ourselves. So we take this opportunity to be able to celebrate you all. So cheers to all the fathers. Salud. Cheers. want to do a quick toast. Or we can do multiple toasts. Because we have a lot of people who probably have things on their mind they want to say.
No, you don't even want.
So first of all, Lynette and I would like to thank you for joining us once again. We really do enjoy putting on this event. It's very stressful on my wife because she wants to make sure that everything is perfect.
And it is.
And
Y'all don't know how many times I was supposed to cry in a day.
every year she's this close to a meltdown. And it's mainly because of the wind.
Yes, that's the only reason
For
why.
5 years on this day, it's always
been
windy.
Yes.
And she be fighting the wind, but I told her it's going to be all right. After she told me to tell her that. But
That was the song called Wendy.
Wendy, who made that?
The Carpenters.
Well, I'll circle back. I'll circle back. But honestly, to the fathers, we definitely want to make sure that we acknowledge you. We know with Father's Day, they don't really have a lot of commercials. for Father's
I
Day.
haven't seen any.
Right, you haven't seen, Billy didn't see any. I saw one Macy's commercial today, and I'm like, really? On Saturday, you run the first Father's Day commercial? Also, when you drive down the street, you don't see any teddy bears. No baskets on the side of the road for Father's Day, so that's just proof that we don't, necessarily have a holiday that is like Mother's Day. We're not complaining because we don't complain. We just keep focused, and we just keep on doing what we have to do.
Yeah, you do.
Yes.
So, if you can raise your glass, this is to all the providers,
It's a bug on the back.
all of the strong fathers, those who don't complain. Oh, by the way, we do have a group chat, so we might complain to ourselves.
Yes, we
I was going to keep that to myself,
It's,
right? But, we just want to focus and make sure everybody is right. So a lot of times we don't focus on ourselves, so we take this opportunity to be able to celebrate you all. So cheers to all the fathers.
Thank you.
Salud.
Cheers.